Your focus isn't weak. It's being trained every day. Not by your goals, not by your motivation, by one habit you repeat without noticing. And that habit is teaching your brain a rule. Nothing matters for long. So your attention breaks, your willpower leaks, and your life becomes unfinished. This isn't a productivity issue. It's a conditioning issue. And here's the warning. If you miss this message, your brain will keep training itself to drift until deep focus feels impossible. This might be the final signal before the pattern hardens for years.
Habit 1. The one-tab rule.
Your brain is like a flashlight. Where it points, your life grows. But most people use it like a strobe light. On, off, on, off. One tab, then another tab, then another. Not because you're curious, because switching feels like relief. Each switch gives you a tiny reward, escape, and your brain learns, when things get hard, we leave. That's not multitasking. That's practicing quitting. So build a new rule. One tab, one task, one small finish, even if it's 60 seconds. Because focus isn't intensity, it's loyalty.
Habit 2. The 10-second doorway.
Focus is not built in hours. It's built at the doorway, that moment when you're about to start. Your brain sees effort like a hill, so it offers a deal. Check one thing first, just real quick, then start. That's the doorway trap. Because once you step out, getting back in costs double. So you need a doorway ritual. When you sit down, count to 10. Not to hype yourself up, to lock yourself in. 1. Shoulders down. 2. Phone away. 3. One deep breath. 4. Open the document. 5. Write one line. 6. Keep going. Your brain learns. When we enter, we stay. The doorway is where focus lives. Win the doorway and you win the session.
Habit 3.
The discomfort currency. Your brain doesn't respect motivation. It respects currency. And the currency of focus is discomfort. Not pain, not suffering. Tiny, controlled discomfort. The kind that whispers, boring, hard, too slow. That whisper is the price. Most people avoid paying. They scroll, they snack, they switch. So their brain learns, we don't buy focus. But every time you stay anyway, you pay a coin of discomfort. And your brain updates your identity. Oh, we are someone who can stay. That is how focus is built, not with big effort, with small payments.
Habit 4.
The finish line effect. Your brain is a pattern machine. It remembers endings. If you constantly stop mid-task, your brain stores one lesson. Stopping is normal. Unfinished work becomes your default, and default becomes destiny. So you need a new training rep. Micro-finish. Not finish the project. Finish a unit. Finish a paragraph. Finish a single slide. Finish one set. Finish one page. Draw a tiny finish line and cross it. Because finishing is a signal. It tells your brain, we complete. And when your brain believes you complete, starting becomes easier. Focus becomes safer. Habit 5. The focus fence. Your attention is a yard. If there's no fence, everything wanders in. Notifications, people, random thoughts, old regrets. So build a fence. A simple focus fence. Choose one time block, even 15 minutes, and give it one rule. No switching. If the urge hits, don't fight it. Label it. Urge. Like a cloud passing. Then return, because the urge is not you. It's just training trying to pull you back. Every time you return, you tighten the fence. And soon, focus isn't a battle. It's a place you can enter. The shift. Here's the truth. Your brain becomes what you repeat. So if you repeat escape, you become distracted. But if you repeat return, you become focused. Focus is not a talent, it's a habit. And the habit is this: stay, pay, finish, return. Right now, don't save this, don't plan it, train it. Pick one task, set 10 minutes, one tab only. Pay the discomfort coin, Cross one tiny finish line and prove to your brain, "We focus now." If you felt this, comment "Focus." Subscribe for more stick figure psychology that rewires your habits.